What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts the files on a computer or network, making them inaccessible to the user. The attacker then demands a ransom payment in exchange for the decryption key that would restore access to the encrypted files. Ransomware attacks can cause significant disruption to businesses and individuals and may result in the loss of sensitive or valuable data. Different types of ransomware. Number 1. Encrypting ransomware. This is the most common type of ransomware, which encrypts the files on a victim's computer or network and demands payment for the decryption key. Number 2. Locker ransomware. This type of ransomware locks the victim out of their computer system or certain functions, such as the desktop or file manager, until a ransom is paid. Number 3. Screen locker ransomware. This type of ransomware locks the victim's screen and displays a message demanding payment. Number 4. MBR ransomware. This type of ransomware infects the master boot record of a computer, making it impossible to boot into the operating system. Number 5. Ransomware as a service. This is a service offered by cybercriminals to individuals or organizations who want to launch a ransomware attack but do not have the technical expertise to do so. Number 6. Double extortion ransomware. This type of ransomware not only encrypts the victim's files but also steals sensitive data, such as personal information or intellectual property, and demands payment for both the decryption key and the return of the stolen data.